sa mga kaso sa National Labor Relations Commission or DOLE na sinasabi natin, which is usually labor cases. On December 1, 2025, the National Labor Relations Commission approved and promulgated the 2025 Rules of Procedure. At ito ay na-publish noong December 29, 2025 at naging effective January 13, 2026. Itong rules na ito ay ni-revise. Yung old rules, 2011 pa. Yung dating Rules of Procedure na nandoon sa National Labor Relations Commission. And of course, doon sa rules na ito, may mga revisions na nangyari. For example, in the filing of labor complaints. Pag ikaw ay nagreklamo sa DOLE, all complaints are now required to be personally signed by the complainant, no? At kailangan ng verification and certification of non-forum shopping. Ito ay very important kasi under the rules of court, lahat din ng ating mga petitions or complaints sa court ay kailangan ng certification for non-forum shopping at saka verification. Inadapt na rin ito ng Department of Labor under this new rule. At inallow na rin ng NLRC na yung modes of service of filing and serving notices, pwede na rin accredited courier services. Parang LBC, JRS, inallow na ito. Dati, we are only allowed to serve pleadings through registered mail with return card. Kailangan din, of course, ng acknowledgement na na-receive ng mga taong binigyan mo ng kopya ng mga pleadings na sinabmit mo. Of course, there is still yung mediation process. Pero ngayon, hindi na pwede ang non-lawyers to appear. Dati-rate, merong tayong tinatawag na self-representation. As long as ikaw yung personally affected by the case, kahit wala kang abogado, pwede mong i-represent yung sarili mo sa labor cases. But now, the standing rule is that complainants or parties may be and should be represented by lawyers when they appear. Kasi nga, ang problema dito, again, under our rules of court, a non-lawyer, kailangan meron siyang IBP accreditation, MCLE accreditation, ang nakiki-litigate sa ating mga korte. Lawyers are also prohibited from delegating to non-lawyers. So, hindi pwedeng utusan yung lawyer ng ang kanyang sekretary na siya na mag-attend ng hearing. So, there must be personal appearance ng legal counsel. Kasama nito yung sa mediation, nagbibigay ng legal advice, at nag-enter into preliminary conference, hindi na pwede ang non-lawyer. At pag pinilit nyong ipa-appear ang non-lawyer, pwede kayong makontempt. So, it will be good for our audience na merong mga labor cases o kaya interesado sa labor cases na basahin ang bagong NLRC rules which took effect January 13, 2026.